Hey you guys, it is 6 degrees out and absolutely beautiful. All this ice on the trees melting off right now in the sun, cracking or whatever it is doing. You can hear it if I shut up for a minute. Okay, maybe now you can hear it because I had those damn headphones on. Well, now all I can hear is a big truck, but whatever. 6 degrees, you guys. I have one of these hot hands. I'm going to test out and see how many hours it actually is good for. Can't really tell where you're looking, so hopefully it's not terrible. And yesterday I had that damn thing on backwards on my foot. I have it right now. I never even noticed. Oh, and it's up to 11 degrees now. That was quick. I think it took like an hour. The sun is so bright. I was gonna say, it doesn't feel like it's 6 degrees. Come on. Ew, that tree's really pretty. Oh, my toes are cold, PR. Wanna go this way? Ooh, that's pretty. Come on, PR. Come. Parson, come. Come on. Whew. This is pretty cool. Here, come. Good boy. Come on. Good boy, PR. Good boy. Careful, don't fall. Oh, excuse me. Hi, guys. So is this head camera worth taking, this strappy strap, or not? It would be nice to be able to do some videoing hands-free. Like, this is what I used for my ice storm hammock video. I just need to learn to angle it properly. Come on, PR. Holy moly. He's the Dickens. But it does do pretty good. I mean, mostly I just like my shoulder strap on because I don't like this thing on my head. But when I'm not wearing my backpack, yeah, this could be useful. Trying out a couple of different glove combinations today. And I have the big hot hands, the 18-hour one. I open that at 9:30. When I'm done hiking or when my fingers warm up, I will put it back in a airtight baggie and see how many hours I used it today. And then I will use it every day and see how long it lasts. Come on, Pierre. Because I don't think that I need to pack one of these for every day out on trail in the beginning. Probably one of these would get me through 3 nights just to or 3 mornings just to warm up in the morning, really is going to be the biggest issue. So should I get up in the morning and go for a run around camp to get my blood pumping before I take down my hammock, man? Because you've been sleeping all night. Get right up and try to pack that thing up. Man, I was freezing. I was so cold. Just my fingers and toes, really. And I wasn't using hot hands. I think if I was using hot hands, I probably would have survived it, but damn, it was cold. And it was only 14 degrees. I mean, it feels warmer right now at 11 degrees than it did that wet morning after the ice storm at 14 degrees. I think just because everything around me was frozen, radiating ice, freeze. Bleh, words fail me. I don't know what I'm saying. I give up. These trees are super pretty though.